Now, if you have to make an accurate inside measurement, say from here to here, there are a few ways to do that. Let me show you. Now, one is you can simply bend the tape measure into the corner like this. But you can see that's not a particularly accurate reading right there. Now, a second way of making that measurement is to put the tape in place and run the case right up against the side over here. Now, read this measurement and then add to that the length of the case. And almost all tape measures have that length printed on the side. The problem is this can become a little bit of a complicated math problem. Here's a better solution. Measure 10 inches from the end of a strip of wood. Draw a square line and cut the wood to exactly that length. So here's our 10-inch piece of wood. We'll set that in place, put the end of it up against the side of the cabinet, and then measure from this side. Read the measurement, and then simply add 10 inches. A lot easier math problem.